Welcome to Job Well Done! Oh my God! Oh my God! My name is Mamu!
My name is Belle.
And I am Benj.
Ayan.
Ayun may kasama kaming special, of course, co-host for tonight.
Thank
And
you
of
very
course,
much.
our very special guest.
Yes.
Na
None
nandito
other
na
than.
rin sa katabi natin.
Yes, ang nag-iisang
The owner.
Yes. Kung
Ang
may
aming-
peke,
May original.
may original.
Original.
Oo.
Yardley of Edmonton
Yes,
Bag Spa.
Yardley.
Let's give
Uy,
him a
give
give
a
her
round of
give her a
applause.
big round of applause.
Ayan, bongga.
Nako.
Nako, ito, isa na namang very makatas.
Interesting topic
Yes,
ngayong gabi.
marami rin nag-aabang nito, sobra.
Oo.
Lalo na yung mahilig bumili ng mga ano dyan.
Timely to kasi magpapasko.
Yes.
So ngayon, malalaman natin yung mga gustong bumili ng mga gift for their loved ones.
Mga nag-iipon na, no?
Yung mga branded and luxurious bags. Hindi lang bags, mga luxurious stuff.
Correct.
Yes.
Ngayon natin malalaman kung totoo ba or fake.
Pag fake talaga siya talaga.
Sa akin talaga. Pero come to think of it, yung
Yeah.
culture ng mga Filipinos, no, hindi lang naman tayo. Like, especially pag may birthday or special occasion. And now, magpapasko, di ba? Nasa isip natin kasi nasa Canada tayo.
Yes.
What special gift can we give sa mga special na tao sa
Of
paligid
course.
natin?
Oo.
Diba? It's not because gusto ko lang ng
Magpabongga,
mamahalin or
yeah.
it's not
Yeah,
that
exactly.
din naman.
Oo.
At saka, yun nga, kasi sa atin parang may, alam mo yun, at ganito yung culture O pag-usapan na natin, simulan na natin kung bakit ba may
Sige.
issue tayo ngayon ng about original or fake na luxurious brand, di ba?
Oo.
Kasi nga may mga kumakalat o diretsahan
Ayan
na to.
na. Naku, ito
Ay,
na
ay,
si
naku.
Mamo. Wala nang
Hindi.
peno-peno to.
Kasi nga, di ba, yung webpage namin, yung portal ng yung podcast namin, may mga nagme-message na parang
Na naman,
nagsusumbungan
oo.
na kami.
Oo.
So, may nagsumbong sa amin na, ayun nga, nakabili ng, or may nag-inform sa amin na nakabili siya ng bag na supposedly, it's original.
Yes.
Okay.
The way that it was sold to her is original.
With the price,
and
yeah.
everything. And it also comes with the original, the price for original item, for original bag. And it turns out to be na hindi pala.
Oh.
So paano ba maiwasan yan?
Correct.
Oo.
Ano yung mga dapat nilang itanong? Kasi, like ako, hindi naman ako marunong sa mga bags. Ganyan. Pagka gusto ko bang bumili, sino yung lalapitan natin?
Di ba nga?
Para malaman mo talaga. Pupunta ka ba sa store mismo na para bumili? Or pagkakatiwalaan mo yung mga taong nasa paligid mo na, di ba, it's business
Oo.
Kaya lang, ang nangyayari, somebody or someone or 'di ba may mga ganyan they want to take advantage.
Of course.
Yun naman ang gusto nating maiwasan din, 'di ba? Yung pinag-uusapan po natin ngayong gabi hindi para meron tayong ituro or ipinpoint kung sinong tama or mali.
Tama.
These are just opinions na maririnig nyo again sa buong sangkalawakan ng online na industry. Talagang maraming mga may opinion.
Uy, sandali.
diba?
Si Mother Michelle naman, bench talaga, special yan
Hello, Ma'am Michelle.
Wala na po
Sarap-sarap.
kaming choice, kaya kinuha namin si Benjen.
Yeah.
Oo.
Tsaka, ito pa, we're not judging people who's buying the fake one. Of course, meron din silang sarili ng perspective.
Correct.
Why they buying those. So,
Hindi, tsaka-
kanya-kanyang ano lang yan. So,
we're not here to
judging
judge
Yes.
you if you buy or if you sell. It's just
Yes.
like, we'll try to determine or differentiate kung ano yung pinagkaiba at saka kung paano natin. Kasi pwede ka naman talagang bumili ng, kung alam mong fake, di ba? Okay lang naman
okay lang
yun.
basta
May
alam
knowledge ka.
mo.
Wag lang yung talagang bibentahan ka,
ng price na gano'n.
ng price na ganun, tapos
panloloko na yun.
Oo, iba na yun.
Iba na yun,
Kasi
oo.
meron ngang nag-comment
Yes.
'di ba? Isa siya sa Hil Padernal talagang nagsabi, nag-comment siya. 'Di ba? May mga peke na pagka ginamit mo halata. Pero may mga peke na pagka kaya mong dalhin, hindi halata.
Correct.
Diba?
Oo,
Katulad
totoo
nito,
yun.
Kaya kong dalhin ng ilong ko kasi
Hindi
to
peke. Ay! Orig.
Diba?
Pananaso. Okay, di siya.
Parang, yung ilong parang putik lang. Binato ka ng putik.
Lagyan ng butasan natin yan.
Hindi, so ang podcast natin for today is magiging tawag dito.
Very informative talaga.
Informative, oo.
Yun talaga yung pinaka-objective namin nito. Hindi kami nag-judge ng tao or magbe-blame ng tao kasi nga ang tingin namin, kanya-kanyang perspective.
At saka ito, this is what I try to say. Diyos ko, kasi wala kang tulog, kaya ang tagal interactive po. So kung may mga katanungan kayo, kung may mga katanungan kayo tungkol sa mga luxury items, sa mga bags, at saka sa mga
i-message nyo
concern
lang po.
nyo.
Ayan,
I-message
sa ating
po kami.
live. Ayan.
You can send comments right there.
Questions, suggestions, or concerns. Pero po, may nangungutang. Bawal po.
Wag naman po mangutang.
Online po tayo, ha?
Oo.
Yan.
Okay, there you go. And of course, gusto ko na itong makilala. At talagang...
Ang ating special guest ngayong gabi.
Ang isa sa mga...
Uy, sandali. Si Michelle may
may
Si
hanas.
Michelle may hanas na agad. 3K na Chanel. Imposible naman kasi. Oo nga naman. Chanel is Chanel. No?
8 million
Pag may 5,000 ka na,
Yes.
na Chanel, ikapin mo na. Well, anyway, pag simulan na natin.
Ayan.
Okay, Yardley, dahil ikaw ang aming special guest.
Yes,
dahil
ang
na-
isa.
Bakit ba sa amin, for us, for our opinion, bakit ikaw ang matatawag namin na luxury expert?
Yes.
Ano bang meron ka? Okay. Go ahead.
First of all, I run the Edmonton Bag Spa, of course, and we do authentication service. So my company is an Entropy verified company. So pag tinanong nyo, what is an Entropy? Entropy is a machine, is an AI tool to identify whether the bag is authentic or not.
Maganda.
So meron na tayong machine na ginagamit. So it's not just me authenticating the bag. But of course, I can do the manual authentication as well. Because every day, ginagawa namin to.
Familiar na familiar ka. Yes.
So mas magiging stronger your certification kasi
May
dahil sa
AI.
expertise mo na manually meron ding machine na
Entropy
gumagawa.
machine. So
Entropy
Edmonton
machine.
Bag
May
Spa,
ganun na.
we are verified company of Entropy. So each authentication, we pay this third-party company to do the authentication for us.
Sa lahat po, entry P.
Ayan, ako.
Ang tawag. Para
Spell.
ma-authenticate ang bag, wag na natin pag-usapan yon.
Ano na lang, orig na lang. Ganun
And
na
then
lang.
of course, Edmonton Bag Spa has been in the business po for how many years na?
For 3 years.
For 3 years.
Yeah.
Ayan.
Matanong ko lang, sa Pilipinas ba, naging parang ano mo na ganito na yung gagawin mo? Paano saan ka nag-umpisa?
Actually, my parents, they had this business in Singapore. So it's not a bag spa because bag spa, it's just an urban term. No, it's a modern term of calling the repair and restoration of luxury handbags. It just so happened when they're doing it in Singapore, everybody carries designer handbags in Singapore. So yun ang mga ginagawa nila,
Singapore
right?
talaga eh.
Yeah.
Ayun, pala nagmula talaga sa parents. So talagang may idea at doon ka talaga
And
nahubo.
and personally, collector talaga ako ng luxury item. And I just love luxury.
Isa pa sa tatanong ko, anong unang-unang mong bag na mahal na?
I had a Gucci when I was 18 years old.
Gucci ang kanyang naging unang bag.
Ikaw ba, Bench? Ano yung unang mong bag na talagang sinabi mong, eto may mahal talaga to?
Body bag, yung pangbangkay.
Hindi, meron doon.
Ay, mahal doon.
DV.
Divisoria. Ay, taray. Ikaw, mamo.
Ako, yung mami ko kasi mahilig din talaga.
Sa bag.
Mami ko mahilig siya ng mga... Nung araw ngayon binigay niya sa kapatid ko, si Ella lang nawala ng interest mula nung nagkaroon siya ng family. So nakikita ko sa mami ko.
But how about you? What?
Ako, binigyan ako ng tita ko, yung tita ko na Tita Lucy. Na-reach ang binigyan
Hi,
ako
Tita Lucy.
Nung papunta na ako dito, sabi niya, sa iyo na itong bag na to. Isang Prada, isang Gucci na original.
Nice. Ako, YSL.
Ay, social.
Yari
I
sa
love
Laguna
YSL
na
too.
bag. Yung
Wow.
bayong, yun lang talaga nagan sa'yo.
May ganun pa?
Sa,
Diyos ko, nagpapayabangan na, tapos bayong.
wala talaga ako naging bag na mamahalin. Siguro pinakamahal ko na bag, MK Coach. Hindi talaga ako sa mahilig kasi.
MK, sikat yan. Mangkanor.
Yeah, and there's nothing wrong about it.
Yeah,
right?
I'm more on properties and...
Correct.
Hindi, pero marami din naman talaga. Ano ba to, Yardi? Can you answer this question? Yung pag-acquire ng isang luxury bag or branded na bag, ano yung merong feelings na naidudulot to sa mga buyer, sa mga collector? Kasi alam natin yung parang sa mga kakilala ko, parang sa kanila, deserve ko to eh.
Parang reward
Paano
eh,
ba
no?
nangyari yun?
Alam ko naman na hindi ko talaga to kailangan or alam ko naman na hindi to necessity sa ngayon pero deserve ko to.
Yeah.
Ano ba yung feeling? Pwede mo bang explain?
Yeah.
Na-explain ba yun?
Yes, I can explain that. That's a good question, Mamu, actually. So, why? Because there's this term, it's called like emotional value. So when you're into luxury handbags, there's an emotional value, which means when you purchase luxury handbags, ano yon, yung parang it's a status, and then like,
Pride.
yeah, it's
Let's
a
say pride,
pride,
right?
and also like it's a symbol of success.
Mhm.
It's a symbol of aspiration.
Correct.
It's a symbol of lifestyle, personal lifestyle, or personal style. Like some people will buy luxury because they can afford it, right?
Yes.
And having a luxury, some people, they will say, oh, it's an investment piece. And that's
Oh.
true. And
Yeah.
that's true. But some people like will say, oh, it's just a lujo, you know? But because when we say lujo, actually in English, it's just a luxury, right?
Luxury.
Yeah.
But we
Totoo.
want to define what is lujo.
Correct.
What is the luxury? Ibig sabihin kasi when you say it's luxury, it is something that you can enjoy comfortably without compromising your basic needs.
Yun.
Yes.
Doon napapasok yung, may dagdag ko lang, no,
Oo.
ngayong gabi. Kasi, yung luxury na term, depende yan sa tao.
Yes.
May iba-ibang level ng tao. Halimbawa, may mga kaibigan tayo, ay, puro luxury yung items niya. Kasi, the person can afford.
Yeah.
Yes.
Kaya lang, nagkakaroon lang ng negative effect kapag ka, halimbawa ako, inggitera ako.
Oh, yun lang.
Halimbawa ako, hindi ko ma-afford yun.
Yeah.
Mangungutang ako para
Yes.
bumili nun.
Yeah.
Doon na nagkakaroon
Yes.
ng
Negative
ng
na
negative
yun.
na value. Kasi, like, Miss Yardley can
Yeah.
afford it. O Heart Evangelista, kung ano-anong mama. Kasi they can afford it.
Yeah.
Pero sa mata ng mga taong hindi nakaka-afford. And again, this is just an opinion.
Yeah.
Ha?
Yeah.
Sa mata natin na, halimbawa ako, mahirap ako. Ay, mabibili ko ba yun? Sana one day. Di ba, one day mabili ko din. Magsusumikap ako para, ganun siguro
Yun dapat,
nagsisimula.
yun
Ganun
dapat.
yung thinking
Oo,
dapat.
tama.
Pero pagka inggitero ka, iuutang mo pa, wag na pag-inggit,
No.
biget, di
Oo,
ba?
di ba? Tama.
Di ba? May naririnig pa rin ako na halimbawa, oy, ang ganda ng bag. Siyempre, LV, YSL, or Gucci, or Chanel. May maririnig ka pa sa palig, peke naman yan. Alam mo yung,
Yeah, oo, totoo.
di ba? Aminin nyo yan. Pagka nakikita
Pag ikaw kasi talaga may dala, kahit na anong brand niya, hindi lang mukhang peke, mukhang nakaw. Kaya
pero
ganun.
original.
Original,
Di ba?
pero nakaw.
Oo, pero nakaw. Pero walang nakaka-pag-prove, di ba?
Yeah.
Pero seriously, di ba? Naiisip, bakit ganun? Di ba? Bakit may ganung pakiramdam? Kung ang tinitingnan natin is emotional value, eto ba ay sa mga taong inggit lang talaga, hindi nila kayang bilhin, or what should be the proper emotion when it comes, let's say nasa public, kasi ito talagang, example, napanood ko. As in, kitang-kita ko, isang
Sino yan?
event,
Sino yan?
ayokong banggitin eh.
Banggitin mo
Banggitin mo
na.
na.
Ayoko.
Okay. Banggitin mo, tatanggalin ka namin dito.
Hindi ka na namin i-guess.
Hindi pwede, di ba?
Okay.
Kumaga, di ba nasa events tayo,
Oo.
may makikita, ay, may YSL, may Chanel. Kasi nasa Canada tayo, so lahat can afford.
Yes.
It's just that right timing kung kailan mo bibilhin, di ba?
Yes.
Yun. Kaya lang, may maririnig ka behind, no? Oh, hindi naman totoo yan, hindi yan ano. Parang, kung wala, di ba, tahimik na lang.
Oo.
Wag na, ang mangyayari kasi maririnig nung katabi.
Pero kasi people are entitled in their own opinion, di ba?
Correct.
Oo.
Yun naman.
Oo. So, at saka kasi ako, parang, bakit ba naging boom tong mga designer?
Mga designer ba?
Bakit recently, although dati naman, meron na to, pero ngayon parang, it's out there. Parang
Yes.
everybody wants it. Everybody acquired it for the past 4
Yeah.
years, 3 years. Alam mo kasi, siguro it has something to do with yung pandemic.
Yeah.
It is.
After the pandemic, everybody is like YOLO.
Yeah.
You only live once.
Yeah,
So you might as
So,
well buy.
Yeah.
That's
Oo.
true.
Kasi
Yung
nung after ng pandemic, yun ang pinakamataas na sales
Yes.
ng luxury
Yeah.
brand.
Totoo.
No?
Yes.
After ng pandemic, tapos nung nawala na siya, bumaba
Bumaba
na naman
naman.
ngayon. No? Kasi nga parang, yung mga tao, they don't care about their savings anymore. So might as well, what will I do with this tomorrow? I can die because of the
Yeah.
pandemic. Di ba? Yung in-inflict sa atin ng pandemic talagang nakakamatay.
Tsaka
Correct.
peer influence din ang tawag doon. Yung halimbawa, nakita mo yung kaibigan mo, parang sa sarili mo, okay, parang peer influence ka rin, parang gusto mo rin kumuha. So,
Oo.
nangyayari, nagiging parang
Peer pressure.
domino effect. So, nakita mo yung friend mo, maganda naman siya. Ay, bet ko rin. Tapos yung isa na, bibili na naman din.
Correct.
Parang ganun din. Parang
Yeah.
na-influensya.
Yeah, and not only that, it's because this time, meron na tayong tinatawag na sustainable fashion.
Yes.
Ibig sabihin, like my business, I advocate people to buy pre-love
Recycled.
bags,
Recycled.
second
Yes,
hand.
there you
Second
go.
hand.
Yeah.
So, ibig sabihin nun, when the rise of this sustainable fashion, mga pre-love bags, dumami na. Naging accessible to everyone. Kasi, like, if it's brand new, like, how much the retail price, let's say in Louis Vuitton, that's 3,000 easily. But when it's pre-love, you can get it for 500. So, it's really accessible for everyone. And,
Kaya nakakatulong.
Kaya ngayon,
so, di ba gano'n, no? Napaka-smart ni Yardley, no? May gano'n pala, sustainable fashion, na parang i-recycle mo na. Kasi ginagawa rin yun ng mga ibang fashion designer ngayon, na mga younger ones they're very conscious about the environment.
Yes.
Kaya ginagawa nila talaga,
recycle, yeah.
And actually, go ahead, ma'am.
Sige lang, anong ano?
Yung idadagdag ko lang din nun, yung the term na yung fashion na yon. Parang, ano na rin yan di ba? VV, Value Village, di ba? Yung mga second hand.
Yeah.
That's
Value
the
Village,
idea,
yeah,
di ba?
Yes.
It only depends on how you're going to carry it.
True.
Kumaga, you wear it with pride kasi nabili mo, pre-love bag yan from $3,000 or $5,000 to $1,000.
Yeah.
Kasi original.
Original, oo.
Pero kung yung intention naman is, peke na nga, ibibenta pa
ng mahal,
ng original, yun naman yung
scam tsaka panloloko
fraud.
na yun. It's a fraud na yun.
Sandali lang, may magandang comment dito si Tina Delro. Sabi ni Tina Delro is, it's more affordable now because of payment plans. Totoo naman. However, consumer need to be careful with predatory payment plans offered by other business owner. It is important that a person do their due diligence.
That's true.
Tama. May mga ganun ka bang na-encounter na yung parang hulugan tapos yung nadodouble yung price?
Yeah, so I can share with our viewers na kailangan be wise shopper din. Ibig sabihin, pag meron nagbebenta ng bag sa'yo, please do the due diligence na aralin mo how much ba ang price nito sa retail. And then, kasi yung mga online sellers, they will tell you, okay, for example, the bi-weekly is just this much, napakababa. But people doesn't do math. So, yun ang napansin ko sa Canada, yun ang problem dito. People doesn't do math and they don't calculate the duration. For example, this is only, let's say, $50 bi-weekly, but hindi nila binibilang how many months.
Yes.
So, they will ended up paying
double
or triple the price of the bag.
That's true. Yeah.
So, what can you advise? Is it better to buy a new one or yung nakaw? A new one or yung second hand?
Second hand, yeah.
For me,
pre-loved.
because my business into sustainable fashion, I advocate sustainable fashion, I would recommend to, if you can afford, there's nothing wrong on buying brand new
Tama
bags.
naman.
But if you can't, and because you have to prioritize your basic needs first before getting this luxury, so I would consider getting pre-lab or second hand. And after all, that's why Edmonton Bag Spa was born. It's because we want to make it like new. We will restore it so then you have the feeling that you're carrying a brand new bag. Well, in fact, it's only pre-love or second hand.
Yeah. Mabalik tayo sa negosyo mo, madam. You do charge for consultation or just like they just bring their bag and then just, did you right away?
So how it works is that I would ask the clients to send us photos of the bag. We will do free assessment and quote.
Oh, I see.
So then, if you're okay with the price, then we can proceed. You'll bring it to my shop and I'll do the restoration.
Okay, makes sense. Instead of, traveling and then you're gonna decline. Okay, makes sense.
Is there any instances that na may nagdala sa iyo ng bag but hindi niya alam, clueless siya na yung bag pa lang yun ay imitation?
Yeah. Almost every day we encounter
talaga?
that.
Oh my.
Yung sa'yo, di ba?
They don't know if it's authentic or not. So for me, I can't touch handbag that is not authentic. Why? Not authentic bags, they have subpar materials. So ibig sabihin, I'm taking the risk na baka masira ko to while I'm working on it kasi they have not authentic bags, they have subpar materials. So, I won't take that risk. I would advise the client, pag nakita ko na mukhang fake to, I would ask them, do you know whether this bag is authentic or not? And sasabihin nila, I don't know.
So, if you have a feeling na already,
yes,
or
because I know how to authenticate.
Feeling pa lang yun o talagang sure ka na
I know,
it's imitation?
but then I couldn't tell them that it's counterfeit or not. It's because I get paid to do the authentication.
Yes, exactly. Yeah.
So I would tell them, do you know whether this is authentic or not? If they said no, would you want to do authentication? And then pag
okay.
sinabi na, no, I'm not willing to pay, then I wouldn't be able to touch it because I'm having second thoughts on the authenticity of the bag.
Oh, I see.
So, sino-sino na yung mga nagdala nun? Yung mga ganun?
Marami. Actually, for the authentication, I have a lot of clients in Edmonton.
Hindi, yung dala sa'yo ng akala niya original.
A lot. Like, because
Mostly are Filipino.
Okay.
I think
no, not
mostly-
Filipinos.
Oh, not
actually,
Filipinos. Okay.
because 70% of my clients are not really Filipino, not from our
Okay.
community.
Oh, I see. Mostly.
And again,
Puti.
Puti.
mga puting kliyente, walang pumupunta mga Pilipino kasi nga alam na natin.
Na peke.
Oo.
Grabe na
hindi
engagement
rin,
naman yun.
Kaya lang kasi, bakit sila pupunta sa Edmonton Bags pa kung alam naman nila na yung binili nila is hindi original, di ba? So, kaya lesser yung pumupunta mga Pilipino din. Di ba?
May tama ka.
Di ba? Ganun yun. Kasi kung alam ko naman na peke yung binili ko, ba't pa ako pupunta?
Alam ko ng peke.
Parang,
Bakit si hindi niya alam? Hindi na lang na isa. yung sinasabi ni Michelle.
basahin lang din natin itong message niya, no? Ha?
Magbabasan muna tayo ng mga
Mga nanonood.
shout out, mga nanonood.
Oh,
Shout out
sige.
natin.
Okay. So, si
Umpisahan.
Jem Hia Rochon. Hi, Jemnak. How are you?
Yan.
Dali mo na yung mga bag mo sa bags pa.
Yeah, there you go. Hello, Krisha, of course. Si Rosaline Mangune, Jackie Leyte, ang aming suking-suki, si Jem Mejia. Ayan.
And Janice Fernandez Meet of
Happy birthday,
Behind
Jan!
the Bar.
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday.
Mami Shea, of course, ang ating
Ayan.
supporter. Thank you, Mami Shea. Natanggap
Vertex
na namin.
Entertainment
Yes,
Production.
Vertex.
Aldo
Ayan.
Dictato.
Thank you for
Hello.
the support. Enrico de Dios. Thank you, Rico.
Michelle of Sarap Sarap. Hello,
Yeah.
Michelle.
Jan Vincendero. Thank you,
very
Vince.
much.
Chester Carino, of course. Thank you so much.
Virgilio Fernandez, thank you din.
Uncle Ino, thank you for watching.
Vida, may show tomorrow sa Chow Kenny.
Yeah.
So, let's
Jello,
watch for
thank you so much, Jello.
Thank you very much.
Ayan.
Sino pa?
Si
Si
Shanshan.
Anke, yeah, si
Shanshan.
Shanshan.
Of Arte.
JR Colobang, thank you so much. Leonard
JR.
Tautau.
Si EJ.
Ayan, nag-send ng 100 stars si Leonard. Thank you so
thank you
much.
very much.
Leonard, nasa akin yung ticket mo sa David
Oh,
Pomeranz.
there you go. Ayan, Tina De Leon, of course, ang ating bossing. At saka
Hindi
si
mawawala
Oliver.
yan. Oliver
Ang aking,
Galipas.
Ayan,
yes, ang aking butihing ina, si Jovita Villanueva. Thank you, ma.
Thank you po. We also have Jackie Leyte de Los Santos. Maraming salamat.
Yes,
May
sukin
message
natin
siya.
yan.
Tingnan
Ano
mo.
sabi?
Delay gratification muna. Then kapag meron ng enough na pambili, saka bumili.
Tama.
Ayun.
Ayan, that's
That's a good
true.
point.
Tapos si
Ayan.
Queenie Reyes Rondilla of
Ay, thank you.
Consignment queen.
Ayan,
Yes.
consignment.
Lisel Lovada na yan. Hello, beautiful Yarly. Uy, sabi niya.
Oh, thank you.
Uy, mayroong mayamang
Uy, sandali,
nanonood. Oh.
may
Si
hanas
Dong
na naman,
Sabanal,
may hanas
thank
na naman
you.
si Michelle.
Ano?
Ano sabi?
Importante nakakabayad.
Ay,
True.
di ba? Hindi.
Michelle, sino ba hindi nakakabayad?
Oo,
Pakiano mga
paki-comment.
dito.
Ang importante nakakabayad sa utang, di ba?
Oo.
Walang taong walang utang.
Yes.
Tandaan
Lahat may
niyo
utang
yan.
tayo,
Oo.
yeah.
Pero pag nagbabayad, may karapatan din naman.
yes.
Oo.
Si
Bel
Benz
Serra.
Katapia.
Ayan. Oh, Bel Serra, thank you so much.
Maraming
Si
salamat
Roxy
po.
Caso
Yan, thank
Urbano
you.
na nag-pledge ng sponsorship natin soon.
Yes.
Si
Tina
May,
Delro.
of course, of Massage Unlimited.
Of
May,
course.
thank you.
Si Benny Valdez, ayan, photographer din to si Benny. Ayan.
Jovelyn Kafirma na RMT to si Juvie, tiga Sherwood siya.
Ayan,
Masahista.
si Will. Ayan, si Will Munoz.
Will
Once again,
Munoz.
congratulations sa sarap-sarap tour last week.
Oo, yung
Oo.
inyong
Thank
anniversary
you.
show.
13th anniversary
Congratulations.
ng sarap-sarap.
Denise
Yan.
Nicole Sandico Fernandez, thank you for watching sis. Agnes Valenzuela, thank you so much.
Brian Philip Imperial.
Yes.
Isa sa pinakamahusay.
Ay, alam mo yan. Si, paano bigkasin? Synax de Solidad. Oh, watching from Calgary.
Wow.
Jaja, thank you, Ja.
Thank you
Oliver,
very much.
thank you, Oli. And of course, si Chris Sack, diba? Yan, thank you. Si Rowena, thank you din. Enrico, thank you naman sa 200
Enrique
stars.
de Dios, 200 stars. Thank
Bongga.
you.
Aris Mendoza Duque, yan. Thank you, bro. Ayan ang aking suki. Ayan, Marvin Regalado Cruz, Palet de Perlas. And
Palette de Pearls. Yan, sumusuporta din yan.
Paano
talaga
basahin
ba?
to?
Saka si Joanne Rose.
Bexy Nutch de Solidad.
Ayan nga, hindi ko mabasa eh.
Okay, watching from Calgary.
Yes.
Ayan.
Thank you
Bex
so much,
de
guys.
Soledad.
Ayun, ang dami nila.
Oo, so maraming salamat. So keep it coming lang po yung mga question nyo mo for
Message lang po
Oo.
kayo. Ayan.
kayo sa ating bag expert na si Yardley. So
Okay.
kung may mga question po kayo.
So sa isa pang tanong ko, 'di ba, ang dami-daming nag-online selling kasi ang hirap din talaga na kung sino yung talaga yung legit talaga nagbebenta eh. So paano mo
Ay, si Joan Rose Salvador.
Ayun,
Sorry.
hinay ko na rin.
Okay.
Oo, binati ko na.
Okay, go. Sorry.
So yun nga, sa online selling, paano makikita? Kasi syempre pag pinost doon, di ba? Tapos nag-mine ka, and then they ask this specific amount, paano mo masasabi na, ano yan, peke yan? Ang hirap, di ba? Dadalhin natin si Yardy doon. Yardy, pakitingin nga to. Bago nyo bilhin, di ba? Paano kaya?
Kasi yung mga nag-online selling, they would tell you right away eh.
That's true.
That's not true.
Hindi ba lahat?
No. Meron pa rin itong scammer.
There's a lot of sellers in Edmonton selling counterfeit bags.
Makinig na kayo.
Ito na.
Warning po to coming from the owner of Bags Pa na may authentication. Marami pong online seller na they pretend that it's original.
Yes.
Do they know it or kahit sila
They're
clueless?
fully aware that the items that they're selling are counterfeit. But they're trying to deceive the buyers that their items are authentic. So for me, I don't understand why hindi nila nakikita na meron silang moral obligation as a business owner
to inform.
Kailangan you have to be truthful and you have to let the buyers na whatever you're declaring, dapat tama yun. Kasi meron tayong right in Canada, we have the Competition Act. So as the law enforcement perspective, that's illegal. That's illegal to sell counterfeit bags.
Pwede mo siyang i-police.
Yeah, that's a criminal offense.
Oh no.
Yeah.
Even if he says or she says that this is not real, it's counterfeit.
So actually,
still
there
pa
are
rin,
two
no?
law. So the other one is the infringement. And the other one is the competition law. So, if you're a business owner, you have the moral obligation na sabihin, i-declare sa mga customer mo, ito ang talagang actual na it's either counterfeit or it's authentic. You have to declare. And the other one is yung tinatawag natin na what's this? Like the infringement of the trademark, hindi pwedeng kunyari, kasi it's against, like kung Louis Vuitton yon, hindi mo pa sabihin na this is authentic, but it's not. So, these are punishable by the law. It's a criminal law and you'll have penalties. But people doesn't understand that and they continue selling. So, like even the other day, I was live on Facebook kasi I have a client who recently purchased from the local seller in Edmonton. So, hindi na natin kailangan lumabas pa ng Edmonton. It's happening in our city and they keep on recruiting more and more reseller.
Ayun na, nakakatakot.
Oo, kasi hindi sila truthful na this is imitation, this is counterfeit.
Yeah. Tapos nag-reseller pa.
Yeah, actually.
Pero makikita mo, yung quality ba talagang halos katulad na?
It's actually, we call it super fakes. When we say super fakes, these are totally identical with the real one. And why it looks real? It's because they do reverse engineering. So this big syndicate or this counterfeiter, they will buy brand new ones and they will open it up and then they reproduce. And imagine, so since 2021, these brands, they move to microchipped. That means wala na yung mga serial number, mga date code to identify whether these bags are authentic or not. So they move to that microchip. So nung nag-microchip sila, binago na rin nila. Even the counterfeiters, they make like to work that this microchip mag-work. Pag may dinownload ka na app, mag-work. So some people, they don't know that.
Yeah, of course. Ano pa? Mahirap na rin pala. Ano?
Yeah, but ang suggestion ko is, if you are buying brand new one to the reseller, kasi pag binili mo ang item not from the original store or not to the boutique, you buy it from the reseller, ang tawag na kasi doon is secondary market. So when it's a secondary market, I would urge all the buyers to ask for the copy of the original receipt. Not to check how much it is, but to ascertain whether it really comes from the original store.
Okay. So dapat, pag bibili ka, and if you want to make an investment out of it, sooner or later, you have to keep the receipt, no? Para kung ibibenta mo na siya, ito na
original
This is the one
talaga.
I pay. Yeah, this is the one I pay. Yeah.
Paano malalaman kung yung resibo original?
Because that's
may photocopy
verifiable.
din.
Verifiable yan. Let's say that person purchased it from West Edmonton Mall. We know sales associate from Louis Vuitton, you can always ask, is this
Okay.
authentic or not?
Okay.
Kung second-hand naman or pre-love, I would highly suggest to go for authentication, whether it's online authentication or entry fee authentication.
Okay.
The thing is, people will say, like, this third-party authentication, they make mistakes. For example, entry fee. Some online seller will say, they also make mistakes. So
question yung
they
integrity
will question
niyan
the integrity of this third-party
Tama.
authentication. But to me, like, the only people who can or who can tell you whether the bag is authentic or not is the brand themselves. That's correct. But then there are ways as well. For example, let's say yung binenta nung tiga Edmonton. You know what I told the client? We'll send it to Louis Vuitton and get it fixed. Siraan natin yan, send it to Louis Vuitton, get it fixed, and let's say Louis Vuitton, they will tell you, we're not able to fix it because this is not our item.
Oh, yeah, of course.
So you can
Oo.
identify right away.
Yeah, doon pa
So,
lang. Oo.
for me, when I accept it, I will run the authentication, and I will do a second authentication myself. Kung if let's say kailangan sa police report or kailangan for fraud for bank reporting for the bank, then I would send it to the brand. So then they will tell me, I will have the proof saying that, this is not our item. Sorry, we are unable to fix your bag, to repair your bag.
Yardy, sorry to cut you. Can you disclose kung magkano yung authentication sa'yo para yung mga tao in case na
May gustong
magpa-authenticate?
Yeah.
Lalo na yan naman na pag-usapan natin ngayon. Paano ba nila ma-avail tong service
So,
na to?
entry fee authentication, because we pay third party to do every authentication, that's $75 plus GST, of course. If it's with Edmonton Bags pa certificate, it's only $50. If it's verbal authentication, meaning to say you don't need a certificate, you just want to ascertain whether your bag is real or not, it's only $35 or
Yun
$30.
naman
Very
pala
affordable naman
Diyos ko,
pala. Yung LV mo.
Oo.
Mamaya. Papapalitan ko yung kay
Pa-authentic mo yung
Yardley.
ataul mo, bro.
And one thing,
Yeah.
like, if the bag is, nabili nila dito sa alam natin na nagka-counterfeit, I can do it for free.
Ay, ang bait naman.
Because
ayan, parang
I want to help people.
Tulong mo na sa community, no?
Yes.
Yun.
Panawagan na natin, ma'am.
So if you want to have your luxury bags,
Luxury bags,
na
check.
authenticated,
Authenticated.
pwede naman pala if you think na it's from
From this person.
Correct.
This
from a
group,
scammer.
actually, their group.
Grabe,
from this
pinasok
group.
na tayo dito.
Yes.
Para na siyang mafia, gano'n.
Yes.
Oh my
Paano
God.
nakapasok,
Oo,
Yardley? Kung
Sinulan mo,
ba?
sinulan mo. Kayo mga mukhang sindikato.
Ganun ba? May original na sindikato.
Member ka lang.
Member lang ako mo. Pero nakakapagtaka kasi sa Singapore, I work in Singapore for
Yes.
6 years. And andun yung
Hindi naman namin tinatanong.
Hindi, just to
Inform.
yung sinasabi
Yeah.
kasi ni Harley kanina, walang peking binibenta
Wala.
doon. Kasi once
talaga?
They're very strict.
hindi pwedeng magpasok ng kung ano-ano doon. So they have the strictest.
Yeah.
Paano ba? Sila
Yeah.
yung pinaka mahigpit pagdating
Stringent.
sa mga talagang i-check and hindi yan pwedeng ilagay sa halimbawa sa mall or halimbawa sa western, hindi pwedeng i-post doon kapag peke yun. Ngayon, pagka bumili ka at pinatunayan mong peke, kasi pwedeng mong silang isu,
Yes.
may karapatan ang bawat mamimili doon na isu yung company mismo.
Talaga?
Kaya hindi sila nagpapasok ng peke. Kaya kung bibili kayo ng original, Singapore. That's why Tony Gonzaga, di ba? Lahat ng
Yeah.
mga artist ng Philippines,
Oo.
sa Singapore sila
Tsaka
namimili.
mas malapit din kasi.
Totoo.
Yeah.
O compare sa Hong Kong, maraming ano. Galing ako ng Hong
maraming
Kong, ang daming
counterfeit.
counterfeit dun
Yeah.
eh.
Kung may mga question po kayo, ibato nyo lang sa amin dito sa comment section.
Ayan, si
So,
Virgilio Fernandez may sinasabi.
Ano yung
order
ano?
ako, magbabawas ako ng kitchenware 4,500. Anong pinaglalaban mo, Virgilio? Palo ko sa ulo mo yan.
Kitchenware?
Nagbayad daw siya ng 4,500.
Nagbayad.
May mga kitchenware naman talaga na super mahal naman
Oo,
talaga.
anong kitchenware yan?
Ano ba yung tawag niya?
Kiowa, Orokan.
Hindi.
Ito, ang Mami Shane nag-comment din.
Ano sabi?
Libre pala with Yardley, so dadali niya lahat ng bag niya sa iyo.
patay ka.
Ayun. Naku,
Ayan.
Thomas, thank you sa
If
Yeah.
kapag binili dito sa mga counterfeit na
I don't
group.
think so.
Yun lang kailangan
Oo.
patunayan mo rin na bumili ka doon.
Correct.
Hindi,
Kasi
nabili
hindi-
na kay Bench eh.
Hindi. Ang Mami Shea naman bibilang yan pagka gustong-gusto niya
Tama.
talaga.
Oo,
And of
ayan.
course, syempre, di ba, kailangan din pag-ingatan. Hard-earned
Of course,
money, bibigay mo lang
oo.
sa samna.
Ayan.
Yardley, can we do for our viewers live audience? Madami kasi is 15 nakatutok sa atin.
Oo,
Can you
50
do a
na.
demo on how to spot a fake or not?
Okay.
Meron ka bang, ayan,
May
yung
sample
bag
ka
mo?
ba
Or-
dyan?
or
Okay.
May dala ka ba?
I
Oo.
have my bag
While you're
here.
doing that, hello Thomas, thank you for
Okay.
200
Let me
stars.
show them.
Thank you very much.
Ito na po,
Thank you sa 200
tutok na po
stars.
kayo. Thomas, thank you anak. Love you. Tutok na po kayo para makita nyo kung paano ginagawa yung authentication. Oy, may dala pala. Hindi siya ready.
Ready tayo.
Dala niya yung machine.
Oo. Okay.
Papakita ko lang actually, like, this is the entropy machine.
Okay.
Ito po, may machine
Ayan.
tayo. Ay,
Focus
close up
natin
natin.
yan.
Direct paki-close up.
Entry P machine.
Yeah,
Ayan.
this is the entropy machine. So, this is an AI tool. So, ang ibig sabihin yan, for example, I'll use my bag.
Oo.
I-authenticate
Ay,
ko.
bongga to. Ito yung bagong labas ng Sekusana eh. Hindi. Side
Oh my
bells.
God, I can't.
You want
too
me help?
tight.
Mamo,
Help,
you help.
Baka lalo pang
You know what? It's okay. So, i-demonstrate ko na lang po paano nag-work to.
Hindi
Sige.
maganda kasi makita natin ito eh.
Oo.
Pwede bang pumasok si Habi to
Oh,
help?
Habi,
Yeah.
halika rito, Habi.
Habi.
Can you join,
Habi,
Ben?
can you help us?
Ayan, si
Unfortunately,
Cyrus in the house.
Welcome.
mag-wave ka, Ben.
Ikaw ang nakaano. Ano
Ay, ako ba?
Magbabasa muna ka po
Can
kami.
you try?
Babasa
to
po
run?
muna kami.
Oo.
Hindi ko ma-open mo yung aking
Oo.
message eh. Sandali lang ha.
So, Jed Miranda, thank you so much. Thomas Sancheta, Shanshan, hello Mamu, Sis Bell, Bench, at Sis
Hello,
Yardley
Shan.
Uy, si
Thank you
Shanshan,
very much.
daw.
Shanshan.
Oo.
Hello,
Ayan.
Pia.
John
Ayan.
Rose, na
Ma'am
love
Shi-
you.
Yeah.
Oliver.
Ma'am Shi Marie, and of course, Jinggoy. Thank you. And Michelle.
Jinggoy.
Oh,
Yeah.
ito na po. Ito po, para po sa
Ayan
lahat
na.
ng mga manunood.
Okay.
Ito, magde-demo po tayo, live demonstration of how to spot or authenticate and
Yeah.
luxurious brand or
Ayan,
bag.
tulad niyan, Gucci.
Alam mo kung anong Gucci to, anak, kung
Anong name niya?
Oo.
Anong year?
Gucci-sima.
Gucci-sima.
Okay.
Sa
Ito,
belt
Purissima.
Gucci-sima.
Ito, patanggal to.
So, okay, for entropy, so we use this AI tool. So, isi-select natin yung item. So, we have here.
Pa-zoom lang po. Direct.
Ayan. O, nakikita natin.
Ganda
kung
ni
paano-
Yardley, oh! Diyos ko, bata-bataan. Go.
So, here,
Entropy, pangalan niya, Entropy.
Wi-Fi nga daw pala.
oh, sorry, I'm not connected with Wi-Fi.
Ay,
Okay,
i-connect
can
mo
you
siya.
share?
Setting.
Okay,
But it will take some time. Beck, can you please?
okay. Ano ang pangalan niya?
Okay, kung
Sorry,
hindi,
but you know
manual,
what?
manual muna
Manual.
tayo. Okay,
You know,
manual.
manual,
Ito, manood
manual.
kayo.
Okay,
Yeah.
manual na lang.
Manual.
Direct, manual daw. Okay.
Okay. So, sa authentication, because I teach authentication also. Like,
ganun
I
din.
have
Oh,
a
you
course.
teach.
I run the authentication
Oh, yun
course.
na, dun sa mga gustong
mga- yeah.
matuto. You can invite them, please.
Yeah, so
Yeah.
mga online sellers, I highly recommend that you do the authentication kasi lagi ko naririnig sa mga online sellers, sabihin nila, sorry, I'm not aware that this is not authentic or I trusted my supplier. But then, it's not a good business practice. Kung nagbebenta ka, you should be certain whether authentic or not yung binebenta mo.
Tama.
You
Kasi
know?
pag nagtanong ang bumibili sa'yo, authentic ba?
Oo.
Ay,
Hindi ko alam eh.
Hindi ko
Nga nga.
sure.
Oo,
Yeah.
nga. Oo.
Yeah, okay. So, going back to authentication process, so I will do a manual authentication right now. So, let's say this bag, I got this from Consignment Queen and Chiplux. So, local Edmonton reseller. So, how do I check authentication? First, I check the stitching.
Oh.
The stitching should be even.
Flawless.
Oo.
Ang tightness, it should be the same. So, pag tinignan mo to, walang uneven. So, everything, walang sloppy na stitching. You see? It's all, and the edge, you see, the stitching and from the edge, they're all equal.
Pantay-pantay.
Dapat yung distance mo from the edge to the stitching, it should be all equal.
all equal.
And then, this one, the logo.
Can you show it to our audience, please?
Yan.
Sorry. Thank you.
Yan.
So, this logo, kasi naka-heat stamp to eh. So, ang ibig sabihin, dapat clear and crisp. Hindi pwedeng jagged. So,
Okay.
when it's jagged, that's an indication that it's a counterfeit. And then inside, so when you look at the material, sorry, ang dumi ng bag ko.
It's okay.
When you look at the material, this one, ang tawag dito, is coated canvas. This is not leather. So people will always mistaken this as leather, but it's not. This is coated canvas. When you look at the coated canvas, it should be, the printing should be clean and crisp as well. Inside, this is the leather part.
Oh, yung loob.
Oo.
So pag inamoy mo ang leather, kailangan maamoy mo siya na real leather.
Tama nga.
Hindi siya pwede may glue.
May bagang.
So if it's brand new, pag inamoy mo siya at may amoy glue, that's an indication that it's a
May
counterfeit.
glue na amoy. Maasim-asim.
It's a strong
Oo.
smell of glue. So yung lahat ng binebenta ng tiga Edmonton dito, yung group, inamoy ko, unang amoy ko pa lang sa bag,
Alam
May
na.
bagong.
I knew it. It has a strong smell of glue. That's an indication of counterfeit.
Oh my.
If it's Chanel, the stitching should all align. Yung quilting,
Oo.
it should be aligned. So yung bag, for example, ni Cherry Tan, so I authenticated her bag. No, it's okay. She's my client.
Okay.
Okay.
And she's okay mentioning her name.
Ah,
Okay.
sabi niya, okay.
Yung Chanel na nabili niya, hindi naka-align.
Oh, may malaki, may maliit.
Yeah, so it's not equal. So ang quilting ng Chanel or all brands kailangan equal.
Equal.
Kailangan pantay. Importante yung symmetry.
Tama.
Yung balance.
If not, yes. If not, that's an indication it's counterfeit. It's very simple. Actually, yung authentication is really common sense. It's
Tama.
very simple.
Yung kawala. Doon ka mahihirapan.
Wala kang common sense.
Wala ako nun. Hindi, again, we are not trying to point out kung,
Of course,
di ba, yung mali or tama. It's just that kung kailangan yung bumili, be vigilant or
Oo.
observant,
Yardy,
vigilant.
pwede ba natin mapakita yung sasabi mo na cheap na siya? Yan ba yung sa loob niyan? Hindi na siya yung
Microchip.
Microchip
So,
na siya.
this one doesn't have the...
microchip yet?
Wala na. Wala na ito nung serial number or date code. No, it doesn't have the... You wouldn't be able to see the microchip kasi embedded yun inside.
Embedded within the...
Yes, inside the interior lining. So,
I
hindi
see.
natin mapapakita sa kanila.
Oh, kasi-
So that's one good point too. Kung ang bag na-release year 2021 and kunyari ngayon at the present at meron pa rin yung date code, that's an indication that it's a counterfeit. Kasi from year 2021, naka-microchip na. Bakit yung bag mo meron pang date code?
Oh, so hindi na.
Doon pala.
You know,
Booking na.
I always say it's common sense.
Tama.
Like year 2021, most of the brand, they migrated to microchip.
Microchip, wala
Bakit
nang-
meron ka pa ring
Date
code?
I see.
Yun,
yung
ang
pala.
magandang tip
Oo, yung
talaga.
palang, oo.
Kasi usually, yung mga binibenta na counterfeit na 2021,
Meron pa ring date code.
forward, may date code, yun na.
Yung palang alam nyo na hindi nyo dapat bilhin.
Oo.
Itago nyo na lang muna yung pera nyo sa mga
Yes.
gusto, di ba?
Yes.
Oo.
And then, again, ask for advice,
Yeah.
ask for the right
Expertise,
people,
yeah.
expertise, di
Oo,
ba?
kasi alam mo, ito, katulad buti na lang, natakil natin ito because, yung bags pa, parang yung connotation nun, it will be expensive. Kasi spa. Di ba?
I know.
Parang
Bag
luxury.
spa.
Bongga mo.
Parang yung mga tao na mga OFW nagsimula, gusto na nilang magpa-authenticate o gusto nilang ipaayos, refurbish yung yung bag nila. Na-intimidate sila pero hindi naman pala costly, hindi
Kita
naman
mo,
pala
ang mura
ganun
lang.
expensive. Authentication pwede pang free if ever
Yeah.
na, 'di ba, may mga considerations ka.
Yeah.
Oo.
It's not really expensive, but actually, when you look at it, you're investing on something expensive. Of course, you have to put in a little bit of money on that to extend the life. For example, Chanel bag, easily $4,000. Ngayon, ang mga double flap, it's ranging from $12,000 to $13,000. So, kung hindi mo i-restore yon o hindi mo yun ipapabags pa, kasi sa akin, when you say bags pa, it comes with cleaning, treatment, and like polishing of hardware, that extend the life of the bag. Kung hindi mo gagawin yung maintenance, then you're wasting your $13,000. So it doesn't make sense.
Tama.
Why do you purchase this luxury item and you wouldn't spend for maintenance,
You're
right?
not gonna maintain
Sinayang
it.
mo lang yung 13 mil mo.
Ganun talaga.
Yeah.
Kailangan
And of course, investment pa rin yun kasi you could also sell it.
Resell it.
Di ba?
Parang tao rin pala, no? Pag halimbawa nagkasakit yung bag mo, puta ka lang sa doktor na gumagawa or
Yun.
Yes.
di ba?
Like I keep telling my clients, sometimes they will ask, why is it expensive? So I keep asking them, if you're driving a Mercedes
Luxurious
or luxury car,
Yes.
would you bring it to the, like
Talyer.
ordinary
Yes, of
talyer?
course.
Or,
Yeah.
you bring it to the dealership.
Leadership. Perfect, yeah. Exactly. Uh-huh.
Ano pa bang mga nag-iinit na
Ang dami na,
question?
60 pwede po
ko.
kayo magtanong dito
oo.
sa amin na. Hello, CC Da from Daisy Mendez. Hi, Daisy
Ayan.
Mendez.
Hello, Roby Rodriguez, Arbes Sounds, and Liza Cortez Mataga. Thank you. MJ Palomares, thank you. Galing pa ng China.
Hello from China. Ayan. Derek Rojas, thank you for watching.
Ayan, Sir Don, thank
Yardley,
you.
may
And
question
Mark.
ako sa'yo. So, na tayo, malapit na tayo few months na lang 2025 na. What would be for you the best brand investment for a luxury bag? Or
Okay.
What would be the
Kasi
brand?
when you say investment, actually, you have to look on the rarity. Ibig sabihin, rare ba to? You look at the brand. Because not all luxury are for investment. That's for sure.
Can you name some?
Okay. So first is Hermes. It's an investment piece. Chanel, it's one.
Yeah.
Louis Vuitton is one. Christian Dior, yes. But
Yves Saint Laurent.
no, I wouldn't say it's an investment because
Nagsisale
Yves
sila.
Saint Laurent, they have outlet. They go on sale. So if people who are looking for investment, Chanel yan, it's either Hermes, Chanel. Why? Because these brands, it holds its value. So kunyari, you can only say it's an investment kung binili mo siya, let's say today, I got it for, let's say, $5,000. 10 years down the road, I'm gonna sell this one for 20,000.
Wow.
So that's an investment.
How about Christian Dior?
Christian Dior, yes.
Nagiging
Okay.
limited edition na nangyayari,
Yes.
no?
Yeah. So, if let's say binili mo na it's rare, like just one, isa lang siya, very rare siya, chances are, yes, that will be an investment piece.
Oh,
And
okay.
also, yung how you maintain the bag will come into consideration.
Okay.
Come to
Kung
place,
even you buy, let's say, binili mo Hermes na Kelly, or pero hindi mo naman siya inalagaan. So that would be an investment piece kasi the value will go down tremendously.
Oh.
Kapag hindi mo inalagaan.
Oo.
May tayo question from Jingoy Borja.
Go.
Si
Ayan.
Jingoy na nag-work to sa Gucci.
Sa Gucci.
Friend namin yan.
Yeah.
Hello
Jingoy.
sis, paano ang gagawin pag nalaman mo fake ang bag na nabili mo?
Anong gagawin?
What can you
Paano
do?
gagawin?
Yeah.
So okay, kunyari let's say nabili mo siya sa online seller here, I would highly recommend na isoli mo. So,
Okay.
make that arrangement. Isettle mo amicably.
Correct.
So, if let's say, hindi pumayag yung seller, parang pinagpipilitan niya, no, I'm not gonna return your money, it's sold, whatever, I recommend you making a police report because obviously, it's a fraud.
Yes.
Oh.
And then, I would also encourage everyone to pay using debit card. Why? Or credit card. Why? Kasi these are traceable payments.
Matitrace.
Pwede
sa
mo
mga-
tong
Oh, yun na. Isang tip yan na.
Yes,
Oo,
pwede
i-refund.
mo tong i-apply as fraud sa bangko.
I see. Oo, tama.
Pero
nga.
kung if you pay cash, then it's not traceable. It's hard to prove na nagbayad ka ng
So,
ganong pera.
Tama. Parang same
I-transfer or credit
same
card.
na nangyari sa nagbebenta ng golden. Omni to yung babae na taga-BC. Yung mga nagbayad ng cash, hindi na nila nabawi.
Wala na.
Yeah, but mostly people na nagbayad ng credit card and debit, they
May
file,
babalik pa.
they file for fraud and then they get back the money. Ayun.
Yun.
May question dito si Virgilio. Sabi
go.
niya, pwede bang malaman kung saan lugar dahil meron kami mga bags dito.
Ayun.
Kung saan
So,
yung
may
lugar mo?
location
Saan
mo,
ba yung
mama.
location
Oo,
nila
saan yung
ma-avail yung
location?
service? Where is Edmonton Bags pa located?
So, Edmonton Bags Pa is located at 104 Street, Edmonton. Or, I also encourage people before, you can leverage my shop. You can do the payment sa shop ko.
Okay.
Before you pay your hard-earned money, do the transaction sa shop ko. We can run the entry fee authentication. I can do the verbal authentication if you find that entry fee is a little bit pricey.
Yeah.
I can do the verbal authentication before you pay your hard-earned money.
Nice.
So sa mga puti, ganyan na ang practice nila. They will go to my shop and they will just call me, hey, I'm purchasing this one. I want to do the transaction
Okay.
in your shop. And I accept that. I
Nice.
welcome that.
Oh,
Diba?
that's
Nagiging
nice.
third party ka.
Oo.
Yes.
Okay.
That's
So,
good
pwede pala yung
idea.
ganun.
Oo.
Because I want to help people.
Yeah,
And-
that's a
and-
good idea.
And one more thing, yung mga may bag na mga rare or mga from previously, yung mga pre-love ninyo, you can also put it sa Edmonton Bags pa.
Yeah, we offer consignment too.
Kasi
Thank you.
Oo.
She also helps reselling your bags.
Yeah.
diba?
That's true. Thank you.
Actually, nagpunta na kami dyan.
Talaga ba?
Oo, hindi pa lang ako masyadong kilala kasi yung ilong ko maliit pa nun eh.
Naku, mas malaki pa sa'yo yan.
Hindi, actually, I went to
Yes.
her. Yeah.
Ah.
May kasama ako noon, hindi mo lang ako nakilala
Oh
talaga.
my God. Sorry.
And I think meron ka rin FB page
Ayun,
na pwede
FB
ka nilang
page,
i-PM and then send the picture you said a while ago
Yeah.
na pwede mo picturean yung item and then you can tell right away.
Yeah, we do free assessment and quote.
Ayun.
Yun
So,
naman pala.
contact sa
Oo.
Facebook page. Tawagan
Yes,
niyo si
Edmonton
Miss
Bags
Yardley.
pa. Yeah, yun pala. Napakadali tsaka very accessible naman pala yung
Oo.
kanyang
Maganda
information.
to na nagawa natin to kasi parang within the reach na siya ng
Yes,
mga tao.
diba?
Kasi dati
Oo.
talaga parang intimidating.
Tama kayo.
Yung
Yung
Am
sinabi,
I
oo.
intimidating?
No, not
Hindi,
you.
yun, the name itself.
okay,
Because
okay.
when you say spa, yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Hindi
But
nila
now,
alam na yung service na ino-offer is
Super affordable pala.
At saka valuable naman talaga. It's worth
Ay,
your
oo.
money.
Oo.
Kasi katulad na sinabi ni Yard, if you're investing in this amount of money, might as well, di ba? Preserve it the way it is.
Correct.
Exactly.
Para-
Yeah. Oo,
Doon po sa
sayang
mga
yan.
bibili ng mga $13,000, $15,000 na bag, wag na po kayong mag-bag. Yung karton na lang ang, di ba? Kasi 15,000 eh. Pero,
Oo.
it's your investment. After
Oo.
5 years or 10 years, ibenta mo ng 30,000, naka-earn ka ng money,
Yes.
di ba?
Yeah, and if I can add, kasi some of the buyers, sasabihin nila kasi, never mind, hindi ko na pa-authenticate because ang nagbenta sa akin ito, kaibigan.
Ayun
No.
nga. Oh, isa
So,
pa yun.
like, for me, I always tell everyone, you don't just trust. You need proof.
Tama.
Whether you know me or not, even my clients, I'm
Yeah.
telling them, you have to do the authentication.
Tama.
They said, oh, I want to save money. It's from you. I know it's authentic. No, you don't just trust the seller.
At saka magkano lang?
Oo,
ngayon ko
diba?
lang nalaman na
Wala
ganun
pang
na
isang
75,
daan, diba?
wala pang 100.
Correct.
75, 50, 35.
Bibilin mo ng ano, for example, Louis Vuitton, 5,000, 8,000,
Oh.
and you got it pre-loved, and it's installment, di ba?
Tapos 75,
Magkukuripot ka.
Magkukuripot ka pa,
Diba
ganun lang
nga?
pala.
Correct.
Ano?
Oo.
At isa pa sa natutunan natin ngayong gabi is kung bibili ka talaga ng mamahaling bag at gustong-gusto mo yon, pinaghirapan mo yung make sure bumili ka na sa store
Oo,
mismo. Punta ka na sa Louis
authenticated,
Vuitton,
oo.
punta ka na sa Yves Saint Laurent. Galing ko mag-pronounce. Yves Saint Laurent, ha?
YSL.
Oo, Saint Laurent.
Another question, paano
diba?
po namin malalaman kung eligible kami sa free authentication?
Galing,
ayan.
ano?
Okay, just message me and then I will ask you. I keep doing this one for like 2 months. So I will ask them where did you get the bag? Where did you purchase the bag?
Okay.
Pag sinabi niya this, and this,
Alam mo na
then
agad.
okay, I'll do a free authentication for you.
Yun man pala.
Ayan na,
Oo.
lalapit lang kayo kay Miss Yardley sa Edmonton Bags pa.
Just be honest lang, declare
Oo.
the real one, the person.
Saan nyo to
ano.
binili? Divisoria. Uwi ka
Go.
na.
Oo.
Saan mo to binili?
Kay Bench.
Sa akin. Saan
uwi
to
ka
galing?
na.
Thailand.
Uwi na.
Grabe, kulang yung 1 hour, naka-isang oras na pala tayo. Kasi yung
I
mga tao,
know.
nakatutok sa atin. Yung
Naka-isang-
50 people,
isang
nandyan
oras
lang sila. Tapos the question, keep on
Hindi
coming.
kasi yung mga nanonood sa atin, hindi man sila yung merong bag, may asawa sila, may mga...
Mga kaibigan,
diba? Oo,
nanay,
Siyempre
tiyahin.
concerned din na
Oo.
gusto nilang
Nagkantagawin
malaman.
Hindi,
Tama.
tsaka magpapasko kasi. So, marami
yun nga
talagang
yung sabi ni
gustong
Mao.
makaalam. At
Yeah.
saka ako, ang feeling ko dito, so almost, Yardley, thank you so much. We're almost done. I just want to ask you guys, what's your takeaway with this
Yeah,
one?
ikaw muna.
For me, yun lang naman din. If you're willing to invest or gagastusin mo yung hard-earned money mo, make sure na bumili ka na lang dun sa tindahan mismo. Porke ba kaibigan mo or kamag-anak mo na magbibenta, kung alam mo namang meron kang a little bit of doubt, then don't do it. Gut feeling yan eh, di ba? Kung gusto mong bumili ng Louis Vuitton, sa store ng Louis Vuitton ka pumunta, sa Christian Dior, sa Gucci, or whatever brand it is, doon ka na bumili. Para lang, maiwasan mo rin, if Yardley is saying it's emotional value,
Yeah.
Of course, isave mo na rin yung emotional, yung pain
Tama.
na mararamdaman mo. Kasi iisipin mo yung kaibigan mo, niloko ka. Yung kapamilya mo, niloko ka. Di ba?
Tama.
That's
Tama
true.
naman yun eh. Bumili ka, halimbawa, kung hindi naman din
Take away lang, ha?
Oo, kung hindi mo naman din masasaktan yung kaibigan mo, might as well, sige, punta tayo doon. Oo, original naman to. Sige, go ahead. Di ba?
Yeah.
Ganun lang naman yun.
Tama.
So, be careful, be cautious, and listen to your gut feeling.
Tama.
Pag maglalabas kayo ng ganong kalaking pera.
Yeah, tama. Ikaw, Mamo.
Ako naman, bilang nag-start na OFW,
Yeah.
I'm speaking in behalf of mga OFW din. Kasi I know doon sa mga kaibigan natin na this luxury item or this brands na mga gusto natin, it's a small victory for us. Na
Yes.
we work hard
Tama.
for this. So do it. Buy it.
Yeah.
Kung kaya nyo, you buy it. Kung wala namang matatapakan sa pamilya nyo, then go for it. Or you can also, para naman doon sa mga nagtitinda na nagninegosyo lang din, na they know and they declare that
Tama.
this is imitation. Kung gustong bumili, you can mix match.
Yeah.
Di ba? Meron ka original, tapos meron ka ding,
Yeah.
alam mo na,
Yeah.
imitation.
imitation,
So,
okay
okay, lang
lang
din
yun.
yan. no?
Yes, okay
Pero
lang
ako,
yun.
ako talaga, if you can afford it and if it makes you feel good,
Yeah.
and, di ba?
It's your trophy.
Oo, kasi di ba,
Yes.
trophy mo yun eh. So,
Yeah.
so go for it and you can always ask the help of
Yeah.
Yes.
Yardley.
Ganun po hindi po siya yung sa tingin natin na expensive or mahirap or nakaka-intimidate. Kung may question kayo about regarding
Yeah.
hindi lang sa restoration, kung bibili pa lang kayo, you can always go to Yardley and
Yes.
Edmonton
She's
Bag
willing
Spa.
to help, yeah.
Willing to help. Hindi naman
Napakabait
kailangan
na tao. Oo.
Oo.
Very down to
Oo.
earth.
Mukha lang supladita.
Pero mabait. Super bait. Super bait. Oo.
Ikaw, Bel?
Ayun, hindi naman ako sa negative side. So, yun nga, kasi marami ako naririnig. Meron akong isang kaibigan na nagsabi sa akin, I remember si Tina yata to. Sabi niya, kung wala kang perang pambili dun sa bag na yun, and you still have lots of bills to pay, wag na muna. Diba? Kasi kung bibili ka ng bag, make sure na yung bag na pambibili mo, sobrang pera.
Extra lang.
Extra lang. Don't use your money for the basic payments or bills mo. Kasi minsan nagiging addicting yan eh. Pag naumpisa mo
Ay,
isa,
oo, yun, addicting.
hanggang mabaon ka sa utang na
Yes.
wala. Na,
Yun ay hindi tama.
Yung bills mo, napapabayaan mo na. Ang dami mong bag, pero ang bills mo, keep on piling up.
Yes.
So, kailangan, kung bibili ka ng bag, siguro din mo, yung sobra yon doon sa yung kinikita.
Yeah,
Hindi
that's
siya
an
yung,
extra money.
yes,
Actually, ang
extra
daming
money.
set aside.
Diba?
Maraming shopping bag, yun na lang bilhin mo.
Yeah, eco bag. Ang dami sa Safeway.
Michelle,
Ayun,
totoo
yun.
ba? I'm done, Michelle. Hindi ako naniniwala.
So, yun lang yung paniniwala ko and agree ako nung kay Tina sa sinabi ni Tina yun. Yun talaga tumatak sa isip ko ni sinabi ni Tina yun. So, thank you Tina for that advice.
Oh, one more thought over here. Kung kaya mo, why not? Pero kung hindi, may right timing coming yan from Mommy Shay.
Ay, tama.
Diba?
Oo,
It's true.
Tama.
Kung hindi mo
tama.
kaya ngayon,
Oh,
let it-
mag-ipon.
Ay, Yardley, ikaw, anything that you wanted to
Yeah.
say to your audience? Kasi karamihan dito talagang mga
Yeah.
nakatutok sa'yo.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, so ang masasabi ko lang, you have to be a wise shopper. Yun lang. And then, make sure na pagbibili, there's nothing wrong or right. But, ang pinaka-main na ko dito, concern ko is yung make sure na ibabayad mo na hard-earned money mo, you're getting the right thing. It's authentic. So, how do you know that? First, ask for original copy of the receipt if it's brand new.
Yes.
You don't just believe on this seller saying that this is a backdoor sale
Yeah.
from wherever or just because it came from Europe, it's
Yeah.
authentic. It doesn't make it authentic. So, yeah. And second, if it's pre-lab, make sure it's authenticated.
Yes.
It doesn't matter whether it's Entrepie or online authentication. I just want you to have that peace of mind that whatever you're paying for is the authentic one, is the real one.
It's
Yeah.
worth it.
Tama, tama. Ito, bago namin makalimutan, may ipa-plug lang muna kami.
Oo.
Ayan, kami magpa-plug lang po muna sa February 1st for Davey Pomeranz. Ayan, murang-mura lang po yung ticket.
Ay, pwede ba mag-plug din?
Oh, mamaya
medyo,
na muna kami
medyo
muna.
paubos na po yung SVIP, yung may dinner. So,
Yeah, I sold already. So,
February
Mama and I
1.
sold already so much. Yeah, Mama and I sold so much ticket now. So,
Oo.
eto, ubusan na talaga. Honestly speaking, napakasarap ibenta.
ang
So,
dali niya ibenta.
yes,
David Pomeranz
February
po.
1st po, general admission is 95, VIP is 105, and of course, guest, VIP 140. That include buffet dinner na po yan.
Ayan, kasama na pala ang food.
Yes.
And we also would like to thank yung... kanina po kasi bumili ako ng mga pastries na kakainin namin sa Sweet Creations by John and Lord. Tapos dinagdagan nila ng Sylvanas.
Ay, thank you po.
So so much.
Ayan.
And also, of course, Vertex.
Canada Vertex Immigration and Vertex Entertainment Production. This coming December 28 po, magkakaroon ng charity Christmas party.
Yes.
So, nananawagan kami dun sa mga malungkot ngayong Pasko kasi gagawin to ng Vertex Entertainment.
Oh, nice.
Of course, ng Mami Shay, yung mga nawalan ng trabaho, yung mga estudyanteng nagsisimula pa lang.
That's good.
Para lang, alam mo yun, kasi it's the spirit of Christmas.
Yep.
Sila kasi nag-iisip, paano ako ma-PPR, paano ako mag-i-stay.
Yes.
Tayo, bilang pasasalamat na walang nagkasakit, walang, alam mo yun, it's the time of giving. And it's of course from Mami Shay and Sir Mac of Canada Vertex Immigration and Vertex Entertainment Production.
Yeah.
December 20 yan.
Yes. Okay, bago tayo malimutan, gusto ko lang batiin yung dalaw naming sponsors na bagong-bago. Direct, paki-flash nga ang ating very supportive. Ayan.
Tatlo ata yan.
Tatlo ba?
Tatlo.
Unang-una. Okay. Thank you, sis.
Thank you,
Ayan,
Shan.
regalo ni Jello sa kanya.
Pasabog ni
yan.
Jello para sa'yo.
Oh, bongga. Thank you, Artisan. Ayan.
Thank you so much for your
Arte.
support.
And of course, second is, eto, tatlong Marias ng East West. Ayan.
East West College.
Si Cherry Tan, ayan,
Cherry.
si Jean, and of course, si Glay.
Gagliarde.
Ayan, ang aming mga
Ayan.
bagong-bagong mga sponsors. And sino pa? Ang Easy Drive, syempre. Ayan, ang Easy Drive. And si Mami Loida, ayan.
Tita Loida
Si
lumanda.
Tita Loida.
Of Remax
Oh,
Realtor
yan.
for
Oh.
your...
Ever loving.
Oo.
Ayan, isang
Realty
makabulang,
needs.
Yes.
makabulang usapan na naman ngayong gabi.
Of
At
course.
of course, ma-share natin sa mga kapwa Pilipino na
Sandali, may
nagtatagoy.
papasalamatan
Ay, marami
pa
pa ba?
Ay,
si Cell, si Vel of Cell, Cellphone, Computer, Gadget.
Bel,
Repair, and
thank
si
you.
Vel, thank you.
Ayan.
Matatagpuan yan sa 15968 109 Avenue sa Northwest Edmonton.
And
Yardley, ikaw, may ano ka bang pagsasalamatan? Gusto mo ba i-promote yung business mo?
Yeah, I just want to promote Edmonton Bag Spa. Very approachable ako. Very friendly to.
Totoo.
So,
Ngayon namin napatunayan yan.
Ayan.
yeah, just come and see me. If you have problem with luxury handbags, I'm here. I'm the bag spa queen.
whether
Yes.
you're buying or you're selling, Edmonton Bag Spa with Yarly. Uy! Oh.
Ayan. Of
Thank
course,
you.
Easy Drive. Thank you so much, Easy Drive sa Sherwood Park.
Thank you
Ayan.
very much.
Maraming salamat po. See you again next Friday sa mga lahat ng tumutok. Salamat po sa inyong lahat.
Sa mga gusto pong
Napakaganda.
magpaputok pa at
Ayan.
At saka sabi ni
Oo.
Ma'am si Marina, napaka-informative. Marami
Oh,
nagsabi.
thank
No,
you.
marami
Thank
nagsabi.
you so much
you.
from the bottom of our heart.
Hello,
Thank you.
Spencer
Yardley,
WC. Thank you, sis.
Thank you very
Ayan,
much,
si
Mami
Kikolay.
Shay.
Kikolay, thank you. And John Rainbow, thank you. And Oliver. Oh, yung bag mo nawala.
Nawala yung bag ni Oliver.
Oo, nag-show kami sa Saskatoon.
Ano ba
Ninakaw.
yan?
Ninakaw.
May
Balenciaga.
Yes.
Ay.
Yes.
Oh.
Magna cum laude.
I know. Ayan. Okay.
Again, thank you so much. And let's give Miss Yardley
Yes.
a bag.
Thank you
And
very
God bless
much.
everyone.
And
Yes.
of course, si Direk, nag-iisa yan.
Yes.
Direct Chris, thank you
Thank
very
you,
much.
Chris. Walang
you so
sawa.
much.
Tutok lang po kayo sa mga
Daddy Cyrus, thank
nag-iinit.
you po.
Oo, Daddy
Thank
Cyrus,
you.
thank you. Mga maiinit na topic dito sa
Yeah.
Edmonton. And of course, this is Bench.
And this is Mamu.
And this is Belle. We are the
Job well done!
Thank you.
Thank you po.
Salamat po.
Naku, wala man na
Ayan.
tayo pa flowers.
I know.
Meron yan.